Everyone, welcome to my channel JSP Studies. Get ready for the dictation. 5 seconds. Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, I would now like to make a few observations on the Ministry of Education staff. Education is basic to any national regeneration staff. It is true that it does not bring any return as our other projects do, as for instance, the steel projects or the irrigation projects do stop. But this is the investment that is designed to help building up of the human material stock. It is agreed that education has expanded after independence and during the planned periods stop. But it is a matter for concern that the content of education has not been equal to our expectations stop. Even today, we are engaged in experimenting with all types of education from the basic stage up to the university level stop. It is not clear, I presume, that the basic pattern of education, of which so much was said and written, is accepted as a success even today stop. Where do we stand with regard to the basic pattern question mark? It seems to be the position that all arguments are in favor of that type of education, but all proof is against the success of such a type of education stop. Where does the government stand with regard to this type of education question mark? We soar by the basic type of education because it was discovered by the father of the nation stop. But if it has been a failure, why should not the government say that that is the position question mark? Then again, take secondary education and also collegiate education stop. 3 years ago, it was said that all universities should have 3-year degree courses, and some universities which were reluctant to accept this reform were more or less, compelled to do so, and they accepted it stop. Now, certain universities find that this scheme is not working satisfactorily and they feel that they should have a 2-year course in the college before students could enter the degree course stop. I mention this to show that this eternal tinkering with education should stop, and it should not go on like this stop. This uncertainty is not only with regard to the main objective of education, the main structure of education from the primary to the collegiate level, but also with regard to the courses of studies, and also with regard to the language or medium of instruction stop. Mr. Chairman, up to the secondary stage, it has been accepted that the medium of instruction should be the regional language stop para. The National Integration Council, however, stated that if universities are to exchange professors, if they have to develop freely, then there should be the common medium of instruction, namely, English and Hindi stop. Now, at the latest National Integration Council meeting, we are told that the medium of instruction in the colleges should also be the regional language ultimately, and if that comes to pass, I ask, how will national integration be achieved? Question mark. It is permissible to envisage a stage, if the scheme of the National Integration Council is implemented, where different universities will have different media of instruction, and the main that will be drawn from these universities will have to main the judiciary of the land of the all India services staff, but they will not be able to serve in a state other than the one in which they were educated staff. How can integration be achieved? Question mark. We are working at gross purposes. Stop era. It is time that a high power body was appointed to hammer out a national scheme of education having integration as the basic aim, and to implement it systematically. Stop the present method of meddling at every stage of education, the present climate in which we are not clear about the medium of instruction at different stages is causing concern to the parents, to the pupils, and weakening the country in the process. Stop. This is a major problem at this stage of the development of the country. Stop era. Then, Mr. Vice Chairman, I would pass on to the Ministry of Transport and Communication. Stop. According to this ministry, we are to build a system of national highways, provincial or state highways, an integrated system of communications from the village upwards, but the central government is concerned with the construction of national highways. Stop. It is good to have a fine system of national highways. Stop. It also serves as a physical link for integration the nation. Stop. It is good, but this planning of construction of national highways without regard to the development of railways and the development of industries in the regions in which the highways are proposed to be constructed will be something beyond our means at the present moment. Stop. Assuming that we have a network of national highways, are they to be put to immediate use? Question mark. Are they good investments? Question mark. Unless you have industries, small, big or medium, coming along the highways, unless they assure you a fair return for the investment, it is not desirable to have a system of highways for the sake of mere transport of passenger. Stop. In other words, we should have a scheme of priorities for the national highways so that they can be looked after. Stop. এই প্যাসেজের স্ট্রোক এবং পিডিএফ পেতে টেলিগ্রাম গ্রুপে জয়েন করুন, এবং ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকলে লাইক, শেয়ার এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটি প্রেস করে রাখুন সবার আগে নোটিফিকেশান পেতে। থ্যাঙ্কস ফর ওয়াচিং।